I got her.
It's very advanced. I mean, see how quickly you come on a live chat.
I did. You were not answering my phone. I didn't know whether I was.
Yeah, because I was already live, Moni.
What?
I was already live, na? How will I answer your call?
But how will I know you're already live? Because I'm messaging you saying call me.
4:30.
Yeah, I know, which is why I was calling you that if you were going on, we never discussed it, right? Whether you were going live first or I was going live first.
That's why I said your technology is very advanced, Moni.
Your fault. Your fault.
I accept it. Chalo. Next time I'll discuss every detail of the live chat because it's so difficult.
Yeah,
it's very difficult to go live.
You were turned Hitler. He was on a countdown telling me 1 hour to go, half an hour to go, 20 minutes to go.
Yeah, and if you didn't know how to come live after telling you this also, then you should have just asked na how
Hi Mukesh sir. Hello. He's saying hello.
Apna Mukesh is saying hi. Hi Mukesh.
He's calling you Arjun and me Bijli.
Yeah, one of the best casting
Long time no see
in India and the world, and he has these amazing workshops and stuff. So guys, please follow him. He's amazing. And Moni,
yes.
So where are you in India?
Where are you, Arjun? Let's.
I'm at home. Home, sweet home.
Let's focus on you.
No, we'll focus on you.
Come here. I will show you where I am. Come here. I am here. That's Shivansh and.
Hi, Shivansh.
And here.
Hi.
Kishit.
Hi, Kishit.
My nephew.
Both are so cute.
I know.
इतने प्यारे तुम्हारे बच्चे मोनी. ये कब हुए इतने बड़े?
Oh, जन्म जन्मांतर का
साथ है ना. I know. And I must tell you guys, मोनी को बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. She loves kids.
बहुत ज़्यादा. ये तो मेरे.
Even on set when some friends come to visit us, she used to always be with the baby.
Room is cracking. I will come and see. Go on.
Side profile से jawline मत दिखा, ठीक है?
Unbelievable you are. So Krishiv is very good with stories, so he comes up with some of the other story. Now he doesn't want me sitting here, wants me to get up. He's saying my room is crashing and falling down. Come quick.
Oh my God! You
very good with stories.
So Moni, tell me, क्या हो रहा है यार? मतलब तू मिस नहीं कर रही है?
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सब ठीक है यहाँ पे. Thankfully, I mean.
Hi, Sharad Kelkar is on our chat. He's saying hi to both of us.
Hi, Sharad. It's not showing on my yet. How are you? How is baby? How is Kate? So I was saying that thankfully, we are the privileged ones where we have everything taken care of, and by the grace of God, there is food to eat and shelter on our heads. So, and there are so many people who are not so fortunate. So, I guess we should thank God every single day, every single hour of every single day.
Yeah, and apart from that, also this is the time when everyone should unite together and come forward and help these very people. And this is the time when we can do that. So, Moni, you want to tell all your fans to come forward and contribute in whatever way they can,
whether
in their capacity, obviously.
Yes, that's what I was coming to. It's not required for you to make huge donation. I mean, if you can, very very well and good. But not just there are these daily wage workers, not just in our industry, but all over the world, in every single country. And coming back to India, we really need. There are people who do not have food to eat. So least you can do is when you're leaving your homes for getting the bare essentials that you need for your homes. You can, take some food out and leave it for the also the strays, and give it to people whom you find along the way. So I think there can always be a start if you want to do. Once you start, you will always find different ways to help people. There are different organizations. There are, as a fraternity, we keep posting a lot of stuff, and we come across a lot of places where you can actually go and donate and help people. So please come forward and do so.
Okay, then good.
And going back to your previous.
Yeah, going back to my previous what?
No. I was asking if you want to add anything.
No. I think what you said it all, and one must, I feel, during these times at least. And Moni, how people? I mean, I'm sure I know you're such an emotional person, and I know how senti you get about certain things. I'm sure you're missing your mom right now, and your brother.
I'll tell you.
It's been so many days.
They're well. They're very, very well, and so there are no cases in Kuch Bihar as yet. So that's why I'm very, very grateful. All of them are actually doing well. She's busy with her gardening, and yesterday when I was doing video calling with her, she was making ghee at home.
Ghee at home? Wow.
Yeah.
But you stay away from ghee and stuff, right?
Yeah, she's sending me also some. So she's sending me and Rupali some. I will give it to you. So the network's gone. Okay, yeah, you're back.
It's come.
Whatever I wanted to tell you was that, since we have a lot of downtime and I'm watching a lot of stuff, last week, in fact, not just me, uncle, auntie, the kids, everybody, we all saw State of Siege. And first day we watched it at 1:30 in the morning, and the next day immediately after lunch, we loved that show, all of us.
Thank you.
Everybody has congratulated you and the entire team. I'm so proud of you, Arjun.
Thank you.
I was just like, बोलते हैं ना छाती फूल जाती है, वैसा feeling आ रहा था मुझे देख के.
That's exactly how I felt when I saw your first movie, and when I see you on the big screen, and it's such a wonderful feeling.
It's about you right now. Take the compliment. It's about
you. Okay.
So when I was watching it, I was feeling so proud and so happy because not only have you acted so well in it, it's such a beautiful show, I mean how the shots been taken, how the storytelling also, it's so precise, there's people are not talking too much, how when you also come out and you say 10 people follow me, it's just like 1 or 2 lines and no bullshit, no no extra
over the top, nothing over the top,
no, not over the top or nothing extra, and you still feel as patriotic and as feeling of nationalism is as strong still. There is nothing extra, but still it's so complete. So I loved the show and I loved doing it.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you, and a big congratulations.
Thank you so much. You made my day, Moni. Let me give you a hug.
I hope we get to work on such a show.
We will. And people keep asking me, when are you and Moni going to work together? So I always tell them, God willing, whenever it's possible, I'm sure we will on some project. And yes, so how have you been spending your days? We keep saying, I have to spend a lot of time at home.
I think now everybody knows. Anisha, come here once.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
How are you, Anisha?
Great performance in your show. We just watched
it. Thank you so much.
We all felt bad that you were killed in the show.
I know.
State of Siege.
But it was State of Siege, and it was I must say, it was an honor to play Major Nikhil Manikrishnan. Because when I got this show, I was like, this is such a huge responsibility. It's not like, you just go in there and start shooting. I have to prepare for it and so many things. So yeah, so it was nice.
Very nice.
Also,
now
Anisha,
that I see so many reviews,
live chat and millions of people are watching.
What?
I love doing that to her. No,
please. I think she's okay. Yeah? She's pretty confident and she's pretty cool. Look at her.
I don't like to be part of it. And she's my everything.
Okay.
So you guys enjoy live chat and
thanks.
See you guys later.
I'll see you. And Moni? When do you think will the lockdown will get over? Yeah.
That should be one.
I don't think.
वो
Come here.
स्टेटस सीट देखा था वो मेजर की जिसकी डेथ हो जाती है शूट हो जाता है.
Come here, uncle.
Major.
Now that we're doing this, we'll do it this very nice.
Okay, fine. Hello, uncle. What's up? Namaste.
Hi. Namaskar. How are you, Mr.?
I'm good, uncle. How are you?
I'm fine. I thoroughly enjoyed your role in that.
Thank you so
Thoroughly
much.
enjoyed it. It's so wonderful watching you guys.
Thank you so much.
I think it's so well done, and your expressions were just very good. Keep it up.
Thank you. Coming from you, I mean, it means a lot. Thank you so much, uncle. And
Thank
please
you.
tell everybody, whoever you know, to watch the show, so that
Sure. Thank you.
more and more people know what happened on 26/11 and how the NSG saved our country and Mumbai.
Thank you. God bless you, and keep safe, keep healthy. Okay.
Yeah, and stay home, stay safe. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. God bless you.
भाई मैं मतलब आंसू आ जाएंगे इतनी तारीफ एक मतलब too much.
When you told me, okay, what are we going to talk about? I was like, yeah, just come live. We're going to have plenty to talk about. So yeah.
So are you still scared of snakes, Moni?
I also knew, हाँ?
Are you still
हम
scared of
share करने
snakes?
वाले हैं नहीं कि लाइव पे है और इंस्टाग्राम पे और सब देख रहे हैं जो बोलना होता है ऐसे बैठे हैं कि
हाँ, वो बोल ही देते हैं.
लिविंग रूम ऑफ आवर होम
हाँ.
टॉकिंग.
So
Did you figure out a game to play though? I want
figure
to
out a
ask
game.
that.
What game to play? Acha, let's play. I'll do some steps and you tell me which song. Okay.
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 Done. Okay. Moja.
Yeah. Correct. Not bad. Correct. ये वाला.
Okay. चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई.
Correct.
हाँ.
Now you do something. Let me guess.
I do something.
हाँ. Do.
Oh, you should have told me पहले. I would have thought of something and kept.
अरे everything what told you पहले ना. Any song